These humidity control packs do an excellent job of keeping wooden humidifier boxes at a steady 72% relative humidity, which is ideal for preventing delicate contents from drying out or becoming soggy. The two-way regulation system both absorbs excess moisture and releases it when the air is too dry, so the interior environment stays remarkably stable without constant tinkering. Because each packet uses a natural saltwater solution and is factory calibrated, the humidity level feels very precise and consistent from one pack to the next. Using them is essentially hands-off, since you just place the sealed packet inside the box and wait until it turns stiff before swapping it out every few months. The size 60 format is versatile enough to handle anything from a modest desktop box to a large cabinet when you use multiple packs, making this 20-pack brick practical for serious collectors. The resealable outer bag helps keep the unused packets fresh in storage, so you can buy in bulk and always have reliable humidity control ready when you need it.